Harry Potter show. Yeah. Today I will be showing you what's in my trunk for Harry Potter. So yeah, before we get on to the video, let's do the 5-second subscribe. I need to touch the subscribe button with your pinky. 5 seconds starting in 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Comment down below if you did do that. And yeah, you might get a shout out in one of my next videos. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's like Makeup Australia. Will be in the link down below. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. The first item will be in 3, 2, 1. A broom. A broom. Of course you need a broom. Yeah. You need a broom for Quidditch. So I'll show you how you go. Next item is in this box. So time to open up my box. I'm at my trench. I'm at my trunk. You can't look at that. First off, what's this? Oh, I know what it is. It is a Harry Potter jumper. So, on my Harry Potter jumper, it says Hogwarts. And I'm also going to buy a new cloak in a couple of days. So I'm really excited. So on my jumper it says Hogwarts, and then it says Draco Malfoy. And then it says Diamonds. Then it says Non-Cron. And then it says Tixilwandus. I don't know, but yeah. Now moving on to the next item in my box. Just fold that back up. The terrible fold. That we got some Harry Potter gloves. They have fingertips. You know how they wear gloves? We always need some. So yeah, moving on to the next item. Oops. Alright, next item. Sorry about that. I can't get it. It's all the way down. Stuck to. Okay. Alright. You'll see that later. We got this. We got an envelope with Harry Potter money in it. So here it is. I actually made this. So it got the rabbit. You open them up. And then in it we got some Harry Potter money. You know, we always have to have some Harry Potter money if you're a Harry Potter fan. So yeah. Here we got 4 galleons. And then we got 4 nuts, I think. Or nuck. Got 4 of them. Place them down there for you. So I don't know what you see. And then I think I don't know what these ones are called. They might be the nuts, but yeah. Here's a closer look at it. The next item we got is wands. Of course you need some wands. So we got this one, and I made this one, so I love them. And then I got this one. This is my one. My other one broke, which I'm really sad about. So yeah, then we got this only dark one, so with a hint of brown stroke. So yeah, here's a closer look at them. To the next item, we got a Gryffindor bracelet. I actually made it in one of my other videos and I love it. It looks so small though, but it actually fits right on me. And we also got that, which is really cool. I also made a different one, but this one's supposed to be like a Hufflepuff one. You know how Hufflepuff's like sweet and stuff? Yeah, I made like a Hufflepuff one. And it's sweet and stuff. So it's not like the colours, real colours, but yeah. I'll show you that it fits me. Alright, get it straight on there and wear it. Let's wear it for the rest of the day, shall we? There it is, looks really nice. I love it so much. And yeah, moving on to the last item. This is the last item I got for you guys today, you know, so yeah. So let's just move on to the next item. Alright, it's in here. I actually made this, so no, don't be too mad at me. Right, it's a sock with paper inside of it, and it's like, you know how Ginny on the train has like this little pink thing on her? Yeah, this one's a white instead of blue or pink or purple if there is any. And this one's a white one. So I made that one, and yeah. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. I'm so sorry, but I hope you really enjoyed this video. And make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, bye. Please look at my trunk.